What's up everybody and welcome to you on the MOONCHARTS channel. I hope you are doing very well, and yes, we are possibly finally doing this C wave, or just doing this wave to the downside as expected around there, so I'm going to show you what we did here on the Discord server. But yeah, first guys, don't forget to smash this like button. This is really important for me and also for the YouTube algorithm. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and yeah guys, don't forget also to join the Discord server, the MOONCHARTS community Discord server. This is really important. I'm really active on it. I post every scenarios extra. So you guys don't forget to check it. You can click directly on the link in the description, to join it. And let's start. So what we can say now, so a lot of things on the screen currently. Last video, as I told you, was around here on this wave. So we filled a short on this top, if I remember good, with VIPs. We took profit on the low here. I mean a bit below, a bit before too. There is some take profits here. We took profit on the low here. I don't remember if we filled along on this. I'm not sure, but yeah, we filled along on this mini pump here, to reach some targets higher here. And yeah, we just filled some short long. We just filled some really good trades inside a short, for example, on this wave to top here. And yeah, anyway. So in this scenario here, for now, I see more a wave 2 that's gonna be finished after this, a B wave here. But the problem is, we didn't reach the 61.8 retracement here. That's a bit the problem, and that's why it's possibly also a wave 2 with a zigzag, inside. That's why also we will get 5 waves, as I explained to you before, so I don't really see something that will go now to the upside here. If we broke this level here, this low, we have clearly more chance again to go really low after this, So I'm going to show you the two possible scenarios, the bullish and bearish, update both scenarios, but for now we're gonna say that we are in the bearish one, so the top will be here and not here. We would finish this wave here, wave 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So 1 here, just right there, perfect. The thing is, on the 61.8 is not reached, for example, on the Coinbase price, sorry, but on other broker price it is. So that's a bit the problem, between each difference, between each broker price. So yeah, we're gonna say that it's reached for now. It's reached, okay. So now let's move on the 1 hour chart here. So what we did here, first of all, 5 waves to the downside, so wave 1. Retracement ABC with a zigzag here, so wave 2. We catch at the top, we just filled a short on this one, and so that wasn't a waste on short here. And then wave 3. So what we did next, the thing is, as you can see just right there, so I don't like when we have too much wave 1 2 1 2 1 2, so it's also matched with some possible ABC or just a WXY, a correction to go high after this. But I think more about this, okay guys? So the most common target, for wave 3 will be the 161.8, but the problem is with this wave we did here, it just clearly don't match, and that brings us to the next target. The next one is normally the 200%, but it's not the most common target, to start on the 200%. So the next most common target is a 261.8, and if you just drag your wave 3 here, the smaller wave 1 2 3 4 5 match perfectly with this. So that's what is expected now, okay? So I also posted, if you want to check the prediction on this wave 2 extra, how I calculated this, the VIP market update, because yes, we have a VIP role on the Discord server, where you have a daily market update, except weekends. And I just predicted, this wave to the downside, right? I did all the work on this. If you want to see that, just go on my YouTube channel. You can find it was a VIP market update, just a video before this one, I think. So yeah. So after this, what is expected if we do that? So first of all, it will bring us. I'm going to show you that first of all. That's the not this one. Yeah, the small waves here don't really match, you know, with the first wave 1, 2. So that's why it's possibly just an ABC, you know, and not this one. But I would prefer to see that clearly, because it's really boring, really boring here. So I will finally prefer to see this wave to the downside. So I'm going to show you this, okay? So now let's just show you this. So wave 1, 2 here, top. So 261.8, as you can see, perfect for the wave 3 here. If you drag it for on the wave 4, so 38.3 retracement, because we did a 61.8 here. This is the most common target after this kind of retracement here. And after this, the most common target will be the 100%. Most of the time when you reach the 261.8, you go a bit below, so that will be a double bottom, and double bottom is not recommended. You know, we can still do a truncated Elliott Wave 5 and stop on the 61.8, do a double bottom too, but we have more chance in terms of statistics to go to the lower percent, to the lower target, to the next target, okay? So we're gonna say we're gonna reach the 161.8. Then what we can expect next? Two possible things. If we are in the C wave here, okay, we're gonna see a bigger wave 1 here, you know, bigger wave 1 here, bigger wave 2 retracement, bigger wave 3, 4 and 5. So that will reach, that will, I don't know if I told you the, no, it was for VIPs. So I'm going also to show you target first of all. So that will be, you know, the waves we're gonna see. I'm gonna go on the daily, it's gonna be easier for me to show you that. So going to remove this. So the top here, right there, the bottom here, and the top here. So where is the top exactly? Here. So the first target for the C wave will be the double bottom, so it's not really recommended to stop here, but it will be on the 61.8, just right there, as you can see. So that will be the 29k, I'm almost 30k. That will be the first zone, the first target where we can stop and just boom and rocket after this to 100k. There is some targets lower, so 100%, that will bring us to 18k, okay? That will be also a possible thing here if we do a big wave 3 here, and that will be clearly possible to go there. This one looks really low and it's not really possible, you know. There is not any, I mean, there is a big support level, but that will be a huge wave 2. This is still possible to do something like that, but I really don't think so. This is really low, you know. So yeah, this next one is clearly possible, guys. We have a nice support level on the left here, so this one is clearly possible here. But for now we're gonna say that we are going to stop on this first target here, okay? So let's see, let's see, yes, now first if it match or not. So the good retracement here will be a 61.8 retracement here, so the first yellow line here. Next it will do, yeah, as you can see, it will bring us to the lower target here, just right there. So 161.8 will be the wave 3 here, then the wave 4, and then the wave 5. So maybe it don't match, you know, for now. I mean, it's just too early, you know, to predict this. It's just to give you an idea of what we can do if we are in this C wave, because yes, there is also the possibility that we are just in a wave 1 and a wave 2 retracement. That will be a bullish scenario here, okay? So in that case, we are in this. After this 38.2 retracement here, so 38.2 almost well placed here, perfect. And then the most common target, as you can see, is 100%. This is the most possible stop, but check it, you know, 161.8 match almost perfectly with the next target for the C wave here. So it will bring us more on this 18k, okay? So that will be the bottom of the wave 2, and that will be the finish, the end of the Y leg here of this big correction time, okay? So that's what is expected in case we do this C wave. In case we just don't, wait, I'm going to remove everything here. Alright, just one wave. Anyway, so in case we do, let me just catch this top here. Alright, if I can, I have to move everything as always. So if we just finish it, this B wave here, you know, on the top, and this C here, that will be a truncated C. not a truncated, you know, it will be a stop on the 38.2, but this is clearly not a target at all. So that will be the bottom of this big wave 2. Okay, that will we will stop, you know, between the 50 and the 61.8 retracement here. That are the most. We have 73% of chance to stop between these two targets, you know. So like that. So 61.8, 50%. It will be more 50%, but we have 73% of chance to stop between these two levels. Okay, we stop it on this between these two levels, so it's clearly possible that we just rocket after this. We just do a wave to retracement here and rocket after it to the upside. Okay, to 100k and more, guys, and really more. We can clearly go really high here. So yeah, let me just show you this. So that will be the wave 1 here. That will be the wave 2. I'm going to show you targets for this. So the most common retracement, as I just show you previously, it was the 50% and the 61.8 retracement here. So most of the time we stop on the 61.8 here. So here we will do a zigzag in that case. That way we will get 5 waves. I mean, the wave here is a bit big, you know, for a zigzag, but we will do an ABC, okay? 5 waves on the first wave, and that's why it's gonna be decisive, guys, this wave to the downside, because if we do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or an ABC, and the problem is the 1, 2, 3 waves here are exactly the same for an ABC and for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a bit the problem here, okay? So yeah, it will be just 5 waves on the first one, then 3 waves, WXY, ABC, whatever you want. WXY Z2 is possible here. So retracement here, most common retracement is the 38.2 or the 61.8 retracement, so it will be good to retrace here. So the 61.8 to go not really low in that case. Like that. No, it was not the ABC that I wanted to did it here. Alright, so bottom here and top just right there. Just checking if I'm recording. Yes, okay. And yeah, as you can see, don't really match. So yeah, we can still go a bit lower, you know, that's not a problem at all. We can still retrace, you know, that will be a 76.4, sorry, almost, you know. Still possible to go to the 123 here. I mean, it's too early, you know, to determine this wave or ABC here. But yeah, that will be the wave 2 bottom here, or here, you know, the 61.8. We can just don't respect the Fibonacci tool here and just stop by small wave targets. So yeah, that will be the possible scenario here too, and it gonna be decisive, guys, for real. Really decisive. So I'm going to delete everything here like that, because I would prefer to see this C wave to the downside here, okay. So yeah, I think that's everything, guys. I think I said everything here on Bitcoin. So yeah, that was a quick update on Bitcoin, because this is extremely important here. You know, there is some good ways to trade, and some levels that you have to pay attention. You know, if we break this and we just don't move back, come back, you know, above, we are just falling low here, okay. Pay attention also to the 61.8 retracement here. You know, if you drag it from the top here to the bottom, just right there, you know, the 61.8 is a really good support level, so pay attention to this. If it just bounce from here after, you know, we are possibly in a wave A, B, C, or just rocketing after this, you know. So don't worry, I'm going to update this. But yeah, so guys, I hope you really enjoy this market update on Bitcoin. Yes. So yeah, don't forget to smash this like button, as I told you at the beginning of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to join the Discord server. Join. And you guys, stay safe, take care, and see you next time.